Welcome back to Purposefully AI. Today, we're diving into what might be the most overlooked side hustle of 2025, offering AI automation services to local businesses. I'm going to show you exactly how to offer these services, even if you're starting from zero. Here is the plan. You ever notice how local business owners always look exhausted? That's because they're drowning in tasks they don't have time for, like emails, scheduling, follow-ups, and social media. Here's the crazy part. With AI, you can automate most of that in minutes and get paid hundreds of dollars for setting it up. You don't need a website or ads to start. Local businesses run on repetitive tasks, making them the perfect candidates for AI automation. We are giving them back precious time. Most business owners aren't tech people. They don't want to learn complicated software. They just want time back, and that's exactly what you're about to give them. Repetitive tasks like replying to emails, scheduling appointments, sending reminders, and even posting on social media can all be automated using simple AI tools. You're not selling AI, you're selling time saved and improved customer satisfaction. These two things are priceless to a small business owner, and they will happily pay you for the setup. Let me show you 5 high-demand automations you can offer immediately to local businesses. Number 1, the AI Email Response Assistant. Using tools like ChatGPT and Zapier, you can draft replies and sort inboxes automatically, instantly cutting their email time in half. Number 2, automated appointment scheduling. Set up confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups. This is perfect for salons, barbers, spas, and clinics. Number 3, a customer review follow-up workflow. Every customer gets an automatic, friendly review request. More reviews equals more customers, which every owner wants. Now, here's the best part. You don't need ads, a website, or a big portfolio. You just need simple outreach and simple value. Method 1, walk into local shops. Say something simple like, I help local businesses automate repetitive tasks with AI. I noticed you're busy. Want me to show you how you could save 5 to 10 hours a week for free? Method 2, email outreach. Use a message like, hi, I specialize in AI automation for small businesses. I can show you how companies like yours save 5 to 10 hours a week. Want a free demo? Method 3, local Facebook groups. Post, I'm offering 3 free AI workflow demos for any local business that wants to save time on emails, scheduling, or social posts. Business owners are starving for help in these groups. Let's talk pricing. Start simple and use these 3 tiers to structure your services. Tier 1 is a $49 audit. You spend about 20 minutes showing them what you could automate. This almost always leads to paid work. Tier 3 is a $300 to $500 full system. You bundle 2 or 3 automations together. Most owners choose this once they see the time savings. Here's everything you need to start, and a few final tips for success. The 3 essential tools are ChatGPT for writing replies and templates, Zapier for connecting everything and running the automations, and Notion for creating simple dashboards. Final tips. Focus on the hours saved per week, start free and convert to paid, and document every workflow so you can resell it again and again. Automations scale beautifully,